Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will help you fix the horn on your Ford Focus. First, locate your vehicle's fuse box and check the horn fuse. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Next, find the horn relay, often near the fuse box. You can test it by listening for a distinct click when someone presses the horn button. If there's no click, the relay might be faulty. If the fuse and relay seem fine, the problem might be the horn unit itself. You'll usually find the horn behind the front bumper or grille. Carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Then, using 2 jumper wires, connect the horn directly to a 12-volt battery. If the horn doesn't sound, it's likely defective and needs replacement. Sometimes the issue lies within the steering wheel assembly. You'll need to carefully access the horn button contacts, often behind the airbag, so disconnect the battery first. Check for any wear or damage to these contacts. Also, use a multimeter to test the continuity of the wiring from the horn unit all the way up to the steering wheel. Look for breaks or corrosion. Once you've identified the faulty component, whether it's the horn unit, relay, or wiring, proceed with replacement. Ensure all new parts are correctly installed and all electrical connections are tight and secure. After replacement, test the horn thoroughly to confirm it's working reliably. Remember to check the description for helpful links and other deals. Also, if you're looking for a great read, there's a book linked below that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.